Welcome to Womplay's review of Upland, your ticket to becoming a real estate tycoon across major cities in the US. With dozens of iconic buildings to buy, non-stop treasure hunts, and frequent special events, Upland sure makes flipping properties more interesting than it may seem. But does it do just as well on the earning front? Find out in this video. Having started just a year back, Upland has grown a vast community of virtual property traders and content creators. Plus, it has a cute llama. Look at that cheeky little thing. That llama here, Miles by name, will help you get your bearings on Upland. You can also look up various tips and tricks compiled in the blog post from Womplay. We, however, will dedicate this review to how you can earn in this game. Upland's economy is based on UPX or UPX, the soft currency used as payment method for all kinds of transactions in the game. These include buying buildings, visiting others' lots, spawning treasures, and traveling between the cities. The more UPX or UPX you get, the more mobile you are and the more perks you get as your net worth increases. From that, you can already identify a couple of ways for you to make UPX. Let's start with property management. As a new player, you will start your journey on Upland with some seed money, 6,000 UPX, and a property to buy. The game will automatically direct you to a free lot that hasn't been owned by anyone before, but we recommend considering other options. For example, instead of a 4,000 to 5,000 worth property in San Francisco, you can easily get 3 or 4 buildings in Fresno. The next steps are fairly easy. You pick a property that you don't think you will need, add a bit of an extra to the buying price, and enjoy your profits. It does make sense to keep some slots though, for regular UPX drops and to build a steady income from visitors. You might notice that if you go to someone else's lot, the game warns you about a small UPX charge for it. If you get your hands on lots near points of interest in San Francisco and New York, such as sites, museums, hospitals, and etc., you can collect dozens of UPX for one visit. You can also boost your earnings without driving up the visitor's fee through collections. Combining properties into specific sets will increase their profitability and grant you a one-time bonus. With this boost, you can easily sweep a few hundred UPX every couple of days. After you get your real estate portfolio straight, we highly recommend checking out more fun activities like treasure hunting. You will find it in the quick menu with 3 dots down there. Now, you can spend a standard treasure with up to 1,350 UPX in value or join the regular multiplayer hunts. When looking for a treasure, follow a colored arrow. As soon as it starts blinking red, know that you're close and get ready to pop that chest or piñata open. Now, if you think that's amusing, wait until the next special event. Upland's team and community are constantly coming up with new creative ways of interacting with the game and earning, from takeovers by sinister masterminds to heists, community marches, and whatnot. While these UPX are pouring into your pocket, you can always make some extra EOS with Womplay. For every 10 UPX you spend on buying from the game directly, we're talking primary estate, treasure spawn, or user transport, you will get 15 Wombucks. A small reward is also available for buying lots of other players or visiting their domains. Upland is an ambitious project. Striving to build a virtual property multiverse, its creators have been molding the game into an actual play-to-earn paragon with the help of Uplanders. Plus, but don't tell anyone you heard it here, but we know for a fact that a USD integration is coming very, very soon. This connection of robust economy and entertaining mechanics with both crypto and the real-world hard cash is nothing short of rewarding, and for that, we give Upland a 5 out of 5 earning score. Our treasure hunt for play-to-earn games is over this week. Be sure to subscribe if you liked the video and sign up on Womplay for extra rewards. Ciao!